Wrong way. Probably got fingerprints all over now. It is okay. Been a long time since I made a video anyways. Is this even gonna get posted? Who knows? I know you guys probably can't see anything. Put a little bit of light on the subject. I think we're gonna take the Ron today. We're just gonna rip down to the skate park. I do have to go on this ride later on the MT and hopefully secure a job, boys. We've been here 2 weeks and still no line of work, but it's okay. It's been fun. So that being said, I might include the MT ride later. I am not sure. I did meet a few people already that are some stunt guys and they're pretty good. It's pretty cool out here for real. Yeah, like I said, right now we're just gonna rip down to the skate park. They have a sick skate park, like 5-6 minutes away, 9:30 in the morning. What better thing to do? I guess I'm just gonna throw the monster in my pocket. I shouldn't have put my backpack on yet. Oh yeah, the Ron is a little rough. I've already looped it out twice since I've been here, and of course I wasn't recording either time. The back brakes just faded on me. They like started to disappear one day, and I shouldn't have been doing wheelies at all. Every now and then they would like kind of work, so I just kept doing wheelies, and I ended up just freaking looping it out, going really slow. And then like 2 days ago, my brakes were completely out, but I wanted to get a video, and I don't know what I was thinking, dude. I didn't have no rear brakes. I kind of got it on video. I was already past the camera, but once I passed the camera, I think I blipped the throttle too much, and the thing just did a freaking backflip on me. Yeah. So last night, went out into the garage, and I took the brake pads off the front. I put them on the back so we can do some wheelies. We got Amazon Prime now, so I'll show you them in no time. I do need directions to this skate park. My phone connects to Wi-Fi all around this city, and it doesn't even work. I don't really understand what's going on with this Xfinity shit. For a minute. I don't know which way you're telling me to go. What the heck? Yep, I'm going the wrong way. Oh. Okay, yeah, we need more than rear brakes, boys. It is a little chilly this morning. If y'all ain't seen the last video, we are in Colorado, boys. We are a long way from home. About 1,200 miles, actually. Still outside, though. Woo! Clean? Ah! Okay. Let's fall into the curb there. It's freaking sick out here. This is my first time ever like out on the West Coast? Out on the West Coast. It's super vibey, I guess. The vibes and the energy out here is just different. Everybody just kind of surfs, skates, snowboards, rides bikes. Everybody just has some kind of outdoor activity, and it's super sick. I have seen quite a few e-bike kids around here, but I can't catch them, bro. They got like Ultra Bs and 79 bikes or something. I don't know. I see them and they're just gone. And where I got this GoPro mounted is not ideal either. Woo! She did not like that. Beautiful Fountain Creek. I ain't tried to fish that yet. I have went fishing quite a bit on the Arkansas River. I've only got one trout so far in like 3 days of fishing, so I mean, it ain't easy. Yeah, but look at this freaking skate park, dude. I haven't even really skated this part yet because it's a little intense. That's a big old bowl right there. Then they got this little section. I could probably come over here and skate some of this. But this park's super nice. It's pretty cool. I mean, shit, might as well dive in, right? Oh, there goes the camera. Got it. Phew. Not a good spot for it. Oh, and I'm shaking up my monster in my pocket, dude. Hey, how you doing? He's not interested. He's hard at work, blue collar, bruh. I just can't contain myself. I wish I was recording every day I've been out riding, because there's just, not that I've done anything like super crazy, but like everywhere you look, there's like a little jump or a little hip or just something that you can hit, dude. It's crazy out here. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool. This little Euro gap, it's kind of big for me on a skateboard though. Then you got this thing, yep. Okay, we'll do a little send off this hip right here. Stop. Oh yeah. Kind of cooked already. Only been here like 35 minutes, but do got to go to that ride that I was talking about and hopefully secure me a job, but I'll explain later if it works out. We will continue this video hopefully later today or maybe tomorrow after I charge the camera. Not ideal to stop. You can wheelie though. Woo-hoo. No shot. Nope.
Some areas, I mean, ever since I first got pulled over on this, they told me next time they see me, they're impounding it. That's why I normally just ride like downtown.
Down there?
Yeah, like down that way. That's cool for stock brakes though.
I'm gonna get the old speed back brake sometime. And I need forks. I need those fast ace forks. These are blown. Look, they just stay there.
Are they just stock ones?
Yeah. This thing's only got though, it's only got like 1,000 miles on it, which is a lot, I guess.
I'm already up to 1,500 on this. And I got it last month. And
really?
When I first got it, I had 200 miles on it.
Last month?
I ride it every day. That's all I
Golly, bro.
do. Ride wheelies down roads, all stuff like that. That's all I do.
Heck yeah. You lead. I don't know where I'm going. Your parents better not be mad at me if we get in trouble.
They will.
Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. Sick. It's a ripper. Woo-hoo. Yeah, that's sick, bro.
I'm still just like learning more tricks and stuff.
Dude, it's better than I am. I can't do none of that knee knocker stuff. Yeah. Bro.
We're gonna go down towards the trail where the 48s are.
All right, cool. He's swerving like a monk. down. No front brake. Oh, bro, we're not gonna talk about that right now. Oh my God. Sacrificed it all for the family. Fatter and fatter. I'm home alone inside my castle. Frank, you a dope selling bastard. She swear she let me, but I believe it. Let's freaking go. Should I stay or should I leave it? Ran off on the beach like a cheetah. Alright, we ain't got that. Bye, bye. Holy smokes. No front brakes is so sketch. And this camera keeps going right in front of my face. Woo. Yeah. No hander off this one? Nope. Yeah, no way.
You
think it's doable this way?
You would have to hit it
hard.
Quite fast. It's sketch. That was sketchy. With that suspension, definitely not.
I hesitated too. Did it look like I hesitated?
Yeah. If you would have just stood on it, you would have made it.
We're in rattlesnake territory over here. I didn't even really smoke on it much. Like I said, we are in Colorado, but completely different. I don't even know. It's just a different environment over here. You got rattlesnakes, scorpions. You got these things called red racers. Apparently they chase you. Like, no, I'm out on that. I'm cool with snakes, but when I want to be cool with them. I didn't even get this kid's name, but shout out whoever he is. I'll put his Instagram up on the screen or whatever he's got. 12 years old, dude, on an Ultra B, throwing down. Ooh, I about looped it. I'm not really feeling the no throttle hand right now. I got to the point where I could just kind of take them off, but there we go. Still not comfortable with it though. I was, but I ain't today. I don't know what's going on. Getting his stoke on, as they say. video. Talking to myself.